Welcome to DYDX Media. I'm Soumit. I'm a social media manager at DYDX Media. DYDX Media is a social media management agency. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add managers to a YouTube channel. This is DYDX Media's YouTube channel. So when you click on your channel, this is what you see. I'm going to the top right corner where I can see the profile picture. I'm going to click on it. Here, I'm going to go into the YouTube studio. Once you click on YouTube studio, this is where you get. So this is the back end of the YouTube channel where you can see dashboard, content, analytics, so many things you can actually manage through YouTube Studio. Now, all you need to do is go to the settings, left bottom of the screen, click on settings. When you click on settings, a small window pops up. Here, you need to go to the section called permissions. So here is an invite button. You can go to the invite section. You can add email ID and also you can select the role. I'm going to type in my mail ID. Of course, you can't see it. So I'm choosing it as manager and then I'm just clicking on done. Now it says pending invitation and also I'm clicking on save. I need to confirm. For that, I'm going to click on next. So I need to enter the password. After entering the password, I'm going to clicking on next. You will also get verifying options. You can just go there and you can say, yes, it's me. Once you click on that, you need to specify this number. Once you click on this number, that's it. It is done. Go to the setting. Soumit need to actually go to his mail ID and should click on accept. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to click on accept invitation. So now I got access to the YouTube channel. So again, coming back to the settings, go to the permissions. So this is how you can do. So if you look at the manager, so these are the responsibilities of a manager. If you're somebody who are very busy YouTube content creator and you need somebody to manage your YouTube channel, you can always contact DYDX Media. DYDX Media is a social media management agency and we also manage YouTube channels, provide services like thumbnail design, description, adding tags, and come up with the content ideas for your YouTube channel as well. I think you can always reach out to us on our social medias or also you can write to us our mail IDs. So thanks for watching.